RKT stock analysis for next week, Monday. Super interesting. Is it a buy? Breaking all of it down in this brief short 1 minute video. Now, as the only person in this space with an actual 43,000 video track record and 5 years of experience, I have seen what's working for me and what's not. And I'm here to tell you that with RKT, it just must give me a double break. That's all I'm saying. Like, it must give me that. And if it doesn't, then so be it. You know, I'm not going to sit here and just cry about it or anything. It's just that I'm going to be aware of it. Like with RKT, I've also already got about 5 results in the Discord. So, you know, it's totally normal. This was pumping fine. Corrections are part of the game. It's just that I'm not going to buy unless there is a double break, an actual shift and a double break. You know what I'm saying? So that's how RKT is looking like for me. This is not financial advice. And if you want to stay tuned and get daily free market picks and emails to stay tuned and make more, click the first link in the description. That is free. And I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.